So we have here a lot of problems dun sa keys and coupling. So we'll start with the part 1. So we have already the discussion for your keys. So my tip is just for you to draw yung keys para mas maintindihan niyo yung kanyang formula for compressive and shearing. So let us start this problem. For number 1, a key 2.5 cm in width, okay? 2.5 cm in width and 5 cm in length is fastened through a 3-inch diameter shaft. So the yield stress of the key is 70 MPa. So pag nagbigay yan ng yield stress, gagamitin natin yung design stress formula. Yung may 0.6. Okay? Now, if the factor of safety is 4, find the power delivered by the shaft at a speed of 380 RPM. So this is very basic para sa akin. Okay? Alam natin, isulat natin na binigyan ka dyan the yield stress of the key. Okay? So, saan tayo magmumula? For number 1, okay, on the yield stress of the key, remember, di ba yan yung design stress is equal to SY over force, a factor of safety, and that is equal to shearing stress of the key. Okay? Now, the shearing stress of the key is simply force over area projected. Di ba sabi ko, mas madali siyang i-drawing para malaman mo. If this is your key, I will draw it. Okay? If this is your key, part of that. Okay? So, shearing stress, saan ba napuputol yung key? Siyempre, definitely sa gitna. Okay? If you will project that area that is rectangular, okay? If your key has a length, as a height, and then width, yung projected area mo nasa gitna. So, definitely that is WL. Length and width. Okay? So, himay-himayin natin. So, that is SY divided by factor of safety that is equal to, yung force natin is twice of the torque multiplied to the diameter of your shaft. And then, i-multiply mo dun sa projected area. So, the projected area there is W and L. Now, anong hinahanap natin? The power. Okay? Algebra muna tayo. So, our power here is, ano pa yung working natin? Power is equal to T N over factor. Yun ang hinahanap natin. Ito, pwede natin to i-translate in terms of the torque given. So, the torque is equal to SY times W L, diameter of the shaft, divide by twice of the factor of safety. So, pwede ko siyang ipasok dito sa ating equation ng power. So, mabilisan lang, di ba? So, power is equal to SY W L ds times the rotational speed divided by 2 times factor of safety times factor. Okay? So, pwede ko na siya masolve. Tingnan muna natin, our yield stress. Sir, bakit hindi mo ginawang 0.6? Try muna natin na walang 0.6. Okay? So, our yield stress is 70 Newton per millimeter squared. Our W, dapat yan naka-mm lahat. So, ang binigay sa'yo dyan ay WCM, the width is 2.5 cm. Wala naman sinabi if this is square key. Okay na yun. So, 2.5 cm times 10, that is 25 mm. And the length is 50, dahil 5 cm siya. 50 mm. Yung ating diameter of the shaft is, ang binigay ay 3 inch, so you have to make it into mm. So, 3 inch times 25.4 mm per inch. Hindi pa dyan natatapos. Our rotational speed is 380 RPM. RPM. So, divide natin ng twice of the factor of safety na 4, if I correctly remember it. Okay? And then, yung ating 9, 5, 4, 9, 1, 2, 3 Newton, millimeter, RPM, every kilowatts. Ano bang unit ang kailangan natin? So, kilowatt. Okay. Let me just, ano siya? Let me just, tawag dito. Sinabi ko kanina, di ba? May factor of safety ka dyan, pero may standard tayo sa design. So, dapat yung multipliable siya ng 0.6. Okay? Dapat ko naka-multiply ng 0.6. Okay? Tapos, 0.6. Let us try now to cancel all the same units. Newton, millimeter squared. Okay, millimeters. Yung inch, millimeter, RPM, aangat na lang yung kilowatts. So, on the calculator, pasok natin siya, 0.6 times 70 times 25 times 50 times 3 times 25.4 times 380. Divide by 2 times 4 times 9, 5, 4, 9, 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 19.89. So definitely 20. 19.9. Power is 19.9 kilowatts. This is basic. Okay? Kapag hindi alam, drawing natin. So proceed with number 2. A kid gear delivers torque of 915 Newton meter. Okay? Through its shaft of 64 mm outside diameter. If the key has a thickness of 16 mm, yung thickness is W. Sometimes, there are other books na yung W ginagawang B. Yung height ginagawang thickness. Okay? So, the width, ayan. Ito, ginawa niyang, yung width is B, thickness BTL. Okay? So, find the length of the key. Assume the permissible stress values of 62 MPa for shear and 100 for tension or compression. Okay, ano bang inaanap natin? That is the length. Ang binigay sa'yo dyan is, you're given the torque and then the shearing stress. Okay? Basihan natin yung shearing stress. So, for number 2. So, shearing stress on the key is equal to, diba, ano yan? Shearing stress, that is 2T over WLDS. Ang kailangan ko yung length. So, reform na lang natin siya in terms of the length. So, the length is equal to twice of the torque divided by WDS times the shearing stress of the key. Okay? So, L is equal to 2 times 915 Newton millimeter. Okay. So, 915 times 1,000. Bakit? Para maging Newton millimeter. Ganun dapat yung torque natin. Our width and thickness, ang binigay dyan na width ay 12 mm. 12 mm. So how about the diameter of the shaft? Diameter of the shaft given is 64 mm. And then the shearing stress is 62 MPa, Newton per millimeter squared. So cancel all same units, millimeter, millimeter squared, Newton, ang lalabas ay millimeter. So calculating the value, okay? So that is 2 times 915 times 1,000 divided by 12 times 64 times 62. So the answer is 38.43. 43 mm. So, next problem. A 52 mm diameter shaft, so meron tayong diameter ng shaft, of SAE number 1040 grade, cold rolled, having a yield point of 60 KSI, with a key having dimensions of, okay? Pag sinabihan ka dyan ng dimensions ng key, okay? So, the dimension of the key is 3/4, 3/4. So, ano yan? Yung 3/4, 3/4 na yan. Yung 3/4 na yan is the width and then the height. Width, height, and ang dulo ay length. Okay? 4.5 inches. Sa factor of safety 4. Now, calculate the minimum yield point in the key based on shearing. O, di napapasok yan. So, sir, you are designing the key on number 3. So, himay-himayin natin. Ang hinahanap is the shearing stress of the key. So, the shearing stress of the key simply is equal to yield point, binigyan ka dyan, times 0.6. Okay? 0.6 nung yield, okay, divide by factor of safety. And this is equal to, okay, this is equal to, kapag shearing stress, twice of the torque, di ba, wild, WL, diameter of shaft. Okay. Based on shear. Sabi dyan, minimum yield point in the key based on shearing. So, ang hinahanap is SY. Reform na natin siya in terms of SY. So, SY is equal to twice of the torque times yung factor of safety divide by 0.6, okay? Tapos W, L, diameter of the shaft. Sir, may binigay bang diameter of the shaft dyan? Yes, meron. So, ang unit natin is KSI. Okay? So, SY is equal to twice of the torque. May torque bang binigay? May torque bang binigay dyan? Walang torque na binigay, but definitely nagbigay ng shearing dun sa saan? Nagbigay ng shearing dun sa iyong shaft. Okay? Sir, pwede bang kunin ko muna sa shaft? Okay? Hindi natin maigagalaw to. On the shaft first, kunin natin yung shearing niya. Ang keyway, okay, pag may keyway yung shaft, okay, yung yield stress ng shaft is 0.75 SY over, okay, factor of safety. Ngayon, meron bang binigay na factor of safety para dun sa key naman to yung factor of safety. So, walang binigay na factor of safety kahit di na natin gamitin to. So, ang gagamitin na natin, shearing on the shaft is equal to 16 T over pi D, diameter ng shaft cube. Itong torque, ang wala tayo. Tama? So, i-reform natin siya in terms of the torque. Torque is SS nung iyong shafting, pi, diameter of the shaft cube, divide by 16. Pwede ba itong torque na to ipasok ko dun? So, on your SY, on key, that is twice, okay, SS, pi, diameter of the shaft cube, divide by 16. Okay, factor of safety, divide by 0.6 WLDS. Ngayon, pwede natin itong i-simplify. Yung DS natin magiging squared na lang yan, tapos makancel yung DS dito. Simplify natin, tapos itong 2 makancel, ito magiging 8. So, baba na tayo. This will become SS, sa shafting, pi, diameter of the shaft squared times factor of safety. Divide by 0.6 W and L. Sa baba. Yan. So, yung SS natin na binigay, this is for the shafting, ha? That is 60 KSI. So, 60 KSI. Huwag muna natin cancel yung unit na yan. Tapos, meron tayong pi. The diameter of the shaft is given, I think, 52 mm. 52 mm squared. Now, yung factor of safety natin is 4. Divide by 0.6 times 8. Yung W is, yung W natin dyan, 3/4. 3/4 tsaka 4.5. So, 0.75. Uh, kailangan naka-mm to. Okay? Inch. Tapos, yung isa 4.5 inch. Multiply na lang natin ng 25.4 mm per inch. Tapos, square natin to. Para ma-cancel. Now, let us cancel all the same units. Yung mm, yung inch, mm. Ang matitira lang KSI. So, let us input the value on our calculator. So, 60 pi times 52 squared times 4 divide by 0.6 times 8 times 0.75. Okay? Wait lang. Okay? 8.75 tapos 4.5 times 25.4 square natin yung value. So, that is, parang ang laki, no? Ay, may nakalimutan tayo dito. SY. SY 0.6 factor of safety. Bakit naging ganun siya? Wait lang. So, the factor of safety on the key. Okay. So, what if, tanggalin natin tong 4. Try lang natin. So, 60 pi times 52 squared 0.6 times 8 times 0.75 times 4.5. Okay? Yung ganun. Meron pa ng 25.4. Lolo ko yung calculator ko. Dito ko na lang sa unahan, ha? 25.4 squared times. Yan. Tapos, meron ka pang divisor dito na 4. Yung factor of safety. So, naging, ano siya? Ano ba answer natin dito? 29.3 KSI. 3/4. Naging ganun. Wala namang factor of safety dito. binigay niya ditong factor of safety? Is that for the shafting or the key? A 52 mm diameter shaft. Okay. Sa key. What if meron din siyang factor of safety na 4? Try natin. So, this is my 4. Tama? Times natin ng 0.75. Ayun, 29.3 nga. Ganun din. 0.6 din. Nasolve ko siya. So, ganito. Naintindihan ko na. So, pagkakasabi dito, tignan natin ha. Yung ating SY, okay, dito sa ating shafting, punta muna tayo sa shafting. So, burahin ko lang muna to ha. Burahin ko muna lahat. Back to, drawing board. Now, ang ano po pala dito, yung shafting mo is with keyway. Okay? So, if your shafting has keyway, yung design stress niya, definitely 0.6 SY over factor of safety. Okay? So, this is SY on the key. Tama? So, yung torque niya, okay? Yung magiging torque mo dito sa iyong shafting, the torque is equal to 0.6 nung SY dun sa, hindi to key pala, shafting pa. Huwag natin lagyan. SY on the shafting times pi, diameter of the shaft cube, divide by 16, tapos factor of safety. Na pwede natin tong ipasok dito mismo. Okay, pasok natin siya dyan mismo. So, the SY on your key is equal to twice of the torque, yung 0.6 SY on your shaft pi, diameter ng shaft cube, divide by 16 times factor of safety. Okay? Divided by 0.6 WLDS. So, pwede natin to i-simplify. Si 0.6 cancel. Si DS, matitiran lang ng dalawa. So, finalizing, this will become 2 times SY on the shaft times pi, diameter of the shaft is squared, divide by 16, factor of safety, W and L. So, pasok natin yung mga value dyan. SY on your key is equal to 2 times SY is 60 KSI times pi. Diameter of the shaft is 52 mm. Gawin ko na lang inch. Okay? So, 25.4 mm, 1 inch squared, okay? Divided by 16 times 4, W is 4.5 inch, tsaka yung isa, 0.75 inch. So, cancel all same units. Yung inch, mm, inch, inch. Input in the calculator. So that is 120 kasi ano yan eh, 2 times 60. So pi times, okay, 52 divided by 25.4. We will square this value. Tapos 16 times 4 times 4.5 times 0.75. So the answer is, okay. Ano ang wala tayo dito? May nakalimutan pa tayo. Yung factor of safety. Dito. Factor of safety. Cancel na siya. Kaya wala na yung 4. So may factor of safety. Nakalimutan natin. So multiply na lang natin yun ng 4. Tanggalin natin yung 4 sa ilalim. Minsan di ko nakikita sa liit nung calculator dito sa laptop. So this is 29.26. Nakuha na natin. 29.29 ata. 26. KSI. So tignan natin kung nakuha natin yung sagot. So you just have to analyze talaga. Okay?